Okay, here's box number 3. All right, this box is the goodies I got. So when I enrolled, I got a 50% off code that I could use for mostly just about everything. And so this is the goodies that I chose. And what I chose and what I got when I spent, I got money back on too. I mean, that's just how Lime Life works. They give. And do they ever? Okay. Let's see. Throw these on the floor. All right. Hang on a second here. All right, I put the box on the floor because it's in the way. But these are the pods for the Duolab that I did a little short video unboxing. And this one I ordered the Cashmere Comfort. This is gonna be just bliss, seriously. Okay, and then I'm forgetting all what I ordered here. So here we go. Oh yeah, I got their lip gloss called Grace, this color. And I am a lip girl. I'm not a big lip gloss girl. That's just me. But the girls love this lip gloss, so we will be trying that beauty. It's pretty, eh? It's got a little bling there and shimmer. Anyways, that's Grace, and we will try that, and I will show the colors later. All right, and this is my Enduring Eyeliner Pencil, and I just wanted to get it in the shade Black. Here it is here, and I will show you how this works later, like the colors on my hand. So we're not going to take up too much time here. And what did I get here? Oh, the Perfect Pout. Oh, this lipstick. Okay, this is a daring one. Daring. I love their lipstick. Okay, the other one I had was sheer, kind of a corally one. This is more, I believe, what's the word? Opaque? Oh, I can't see it there, but look at this color. Okay, that looks really different than the color I ordered. I wonder if I got the right color. I have to check that out because I ordered like a really bright pink. This looks rosy. So I'm gonna have to check on that because I wanted the bright pink. Okay, great, super oil. I ran out of my Mad Hippie face oil and I've been just missing that because I love using a face oil. And so this is their face oil. It's called Super Oil for all skin types, universal. And we will go through these in another video and I can tell you a little bit more about them. Okay, oh, here's the primer. This is a primer. I've never used a primer. And this one is supposed to be really nice. It's an oil-free makeup primer, the spray, and we'll go into that too and see how that works before putting on our makeup. Now, all right, this is another thing I don't use, but I ordered it, the Perfect Bronzer. Okay, that is shade 03. That's pretty, hey? That'll be fun to use and try. And then it comes with the little magnetic holder that will fit those two inside, okay? Let me just, what is this? I don't know what this is. That's a black case. Maybe it's just like a case when you put your brushes in when you're traveling. I didn't order that, so maybe that was just something they threw in, which is nice. I'll take that. Okay, hang on. Okay, last but not least. All right, this is something I took advantage of for the 50% off because otherwise I don't know when I ever would have got it. But that is the Ricky Skinny Makeup Light Up Mirror. I mean, it's Bluetooth, selfie function, 5 times magnification. Can be, because there's a little attachment and there's a stand and, you know, let's just take it out. Like, I don't even know how to work this yet, but I've never had a makeup mirror. Don't fall, don't fall. There'll be lots of great instructions in here. Here it is. It's got like a cover on there, but Okay, that's gonna be something to play with. Hang on. Because what else is in here with it? And then we'll do a video on this. Okay, there's the stand. And then I believe this is the, oh, that's just the charger. And then we've got, is that something? I don't know. And then there's the magnifying mirror that will stick on. And, oh, maybe that's not the stand. Oh, this is what you put your cell phone in and stick on the mirror while you're doing your makeup and videos, whatever. So that's the stand. Anyways, okay, that's it. That's enough unboxing. I need to like go play with these goodies and learn a bit so I can share them with you. So thanks for joining me. It's been an exciting day today already. All right, hope you all have a great day out there. Bye for now.